Welcome! In this lesson, we'll explore sentence variation and how to use connectives to make your writing stronger, clearer, and more engaging. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to vary your sentence types, use conjunctions effectively, and create writing that hooks your reader. Let's get started. Using a mix of sentence types helps your writing flow and keeps your reader interested. It prevents your work from sounding repetitive and helps convey emotion, rhythm, and drama more effectively. Long sentences are great for detail and description, while short sentences create drama and impact. Let's look at two examples. Here's a long sentence. As the monsoon clouds gathered over the Himalayan foothills. It builds a vivid image. Now, here's a short one. The sky cracked. Simple, powerful. There are 4 types of sentences. Knowing how and when to use each one helps you shape tone and structure. Statements give facts or opinions. Questions invite the reader to think. Use both to guide and challenge your audience. For example, India was once ruled by the British Empire. That's a statement. Why did Britain want to control India? That's a question. Imperatives tell someone what to do. Exclamations show strong feeling. Read chapters 1 and 2 of Kim today. That's an imperative. What an amazing pattern that Rangoli design has. That's an exclamation. Now let's move on to sentence structure. We use 4 main types: simple, compound, complex, and compound complex. A simple sentence has just one clause, like Gandhi believed in peace. A compound sentence joins 2 main clauses with a conjunction. It was hot and the air was still. Complex sentences use a main clause and at least one subordinate clause. Although it was hot, the rain didn't fall. A compound complex sentence has multiple clauses like, although it was hot, the rain didn't fall and the crops wilted. Coordinating conjunctions are remembered with fanboys: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. They're great for joining equal ideas in compound sentences. Subordinating conjunctions help us build complex sentences. Words like because, although, before, and until add detail and depth. Let's compare 2 paragraphs. Without conjunctions, the ideas feel disconnected. With conjunctions, the writing flows smoothly and sounds more mature. Avoid using only one type of sentence. Don't forget to vary tone and emotion, and most importantly, use conjunctions to connect your ideas. Now it's your turn. Write a paragraph explaining why the British Empire wanted to control India. Use varied sentence types and conjunctions to keep your writing engaging. Great work! You've learned how sentence variety and connectives can bring your writing to life. Keep practicing, and you'll soon see the difference in every sentence you write.